previous year. Yeah, TPS, 55% of that should be
Tisington me.
allocate you for TPS. TPS, personal services. Of course, part of the budgeting nyo, masapon man it conforms with your annual investment program. Yan. Awan ipuntuhan nyo, no awan kay AIT. Yan. Kaya di pagpanunod nyo. Awan ang puntuhan, awan kay AIT. Of course, data basis yung mga review kay budget nyo. Ikan nyo ang kay AIT. Parehas mo sa kanyami na yung munisipyo, subject to province, isipin ko ang pubaran o din yung AIT. Ano yung example sa iyo naman to be no shortcut lang. Discuss na ko lang na annexes or part of the budget nyo. At sana yung informs kung kailangan ng attachment the barangay annual budget. Every year, arithmetically, local budget circular, budget memorandum, kung i-release yung BBM, yung basis na po ng preparing budget. Kung sana na, LGU budget, municipal na yan, barangay. In Hajin year, for 2026 is local budget memorandum number 92. So, na-yan budget preparation forms o i-require na. Aware kayo ba? Treasurer, aware kayo dyan ng forms? No kami na every year sinakit po no variation. Nasa isuka dyan, kasi per vision si National Government of Lakas. Yan ang natin yung mga pasaran sa mag-release in guidelines. So for this year, 2026, na-isang forms yung kailangan. So budget, barangay budget preparation form number 1, budget of expenditures and sources of financing. Annex L, ito yung parang taon-taon. And then for 2 is program preparation by PPA, expense class, object of expenditure, and expected results. Annex N, yung parang taon-taon. And then for 2A, yan sa list of projects chargeable to 20% development fund. Yan sa projects kung duwan to 18%. And then form 3, plantilla, personal, of course, ang buyan dyan na. And then form 4, statement of indebtedness, no? Which loans or vacancy barangay. Yeah. So, that's the financial expenses to count on from that. And then, of course, attachment ni Biden, annual budget ni subject, this budget message of the barangay captain. Form 3, statement of indebtedness, barangay annual investment plan. Site IB1, barangay IPO. Ano yung barangay IPO ka? Kumununa o i-prepare din ako. Yan ang first plan kung isubmit o i-formulate si barangay. Yan na nang ikaw ikargaan din amin yung proposed projects, programs and activities in planning si barangay beyond the contact in soon year. So that yan sintunan na mga ano no pitaman ang kayang sintunduyong doon i-accommodate out of these EPAs. Yan ang sample ko. Yan ang sample ko appropriation ordinance. So, yan. So, beginning balance, yan ang makano, a bit unused funds in previous years. receipts. Ngayon sa receipts kung mo discuss treasure, ano yun? NTA, NTA, and then local collections, net and possible food sources. May discuss sa net and possible sources, local collections. And then plus NTA, yan yan ang so, may layo. Okay, sa oh, anyway, yun ka.
Tinipchun sa nga chimpusa. Usok. Ina na to yung usok. Asawan ko, Susan. Ina na kaluan.
Nayunan na ka na di Condona.
With utot. Napil amin dyan. Kanit check. Taga puta.
Pulutan na na.
Pulutan to ba ito ako? Kaya ba?
Kuyam ta mukha.
Ay, tayo pa yun. Pinungkot yun. Naipos na ka na.